What's up, everyone? I just tuned my guitar to 528 hertz, the legendary love frequency and miracle tone set to repair DNA, open the heart, reduce stress, and promote deep healing. This hype started with Dr. Leonard Horowitz, a former dentist turned alternative health advocate. In the late 90s, he claimed that 528 hertz is the true frequency of love, hidden in sacred geometry and nature, but suppressed by modern 440 hertz tuning to keep us disconnected. Wonder what a guitar vibrating at the frequency of love actually sounds like? Buckle up, let's find out.